I am not playing with you, Jamaica. The people, the way you connect, the way you love your country, the way you love each other, and the way you made me feel welcome.
Ladies and gentlemen, just after sharing with you a video of Jamaicans being crowned as the most influential black country in the world, now I have a very interesting video with you. Now this video will just clearly prove to you that indeed Jamaica is the pearl of the Caribbean. Now, in these two videos that I have made a compilation with you, I'm going to share with you. It's about this Bahamian guy who has been constantly having panic attacks, and he has been in a state of depression for a very long time now. He said that after interacting with Jamaicans, after moving to Jamaica, visiting Jamaica, everything changed for him. His health started improving. Now that's the first part. The next part is about this Arab lady, whereby she has been having serious health problems with all of the good doctors around the world unable to cure her diseases. Now she now ended up visiting Jamaica, whereby everything started changing immediately and miraculously. We are talking about her health. Her health started improving. Now she even went ahead and recommended most of her friends and her families to visit Jamaica, and not just visit but to permanently relocate to Jamaica. So once again, I'm your host Tyrell Reactions. Remember, if you're coming across my videos for the first time, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, and to my videos, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So watch this video up to the end, and then I'll be back with a few comments.
I grew up in Freeport, Grand Bahama. That's in the Bahamas. Beautiful place, quiet. You get away from the fast, crazy life. It's home to a lot of beautiful people. Now, the thing is, at the age of 16, I became a theater actor in Freeport. Started doing stage shows and traveling and all of that good stuff, and became pretty popular in the arts. So as time went by, people would recognize me from stuff and they just kind of look at me. And it sounds normal, but it's kind of weird as the years would pass, people just looking at you and not talking to you. And that's how it kind of is in Freeport. People will look more than they'll talk. I don't know how it is now. I haven't been there for years. People probably change. New generations of people, they maybe talk more. But my experience was people just looking at you and not talking to you. And when you're in a small town like Freeport is pretty small compared to a lot of places. It's pretty small. And all these people just kind of looking at you and not talking to you becomes weird. Your life starts to feel like it's in a fishbowl. That started to really mess with me. And I started having panic attacks. The panic attacks could have been triggered by that. It could have been triggered because I was a part of this church, and all of a sudden I wasn't a part of that church anymore, and I was trying to figure out my life. Like, that church just really offended me, and I couldn't find myself continuing to go there. And I was trying to figure my life out, and I started having these panic attacks that were really bad. And if you know about panic attacks, that's like you feeling like you're losing your mind, going crazy, and you don't know what's happening to you. And the only thing that helped me through that process is I took a trip to Jamaica. And the minute I got on the plane to go to Jamaica, I heard the people on the plane talking to each other. And Jamaicans that were sitting on side of me started talking to me, having conversations with me. I didn't have to force it, didn't have to fight for it, didn't have to try. They just were talking. And I found that so beautiful. People talking to each other. Because it's what I was missing in Freeport. In Freeport, no one was talking to me. No one would say, "Hey, I know you from this show. How you doing, man? I enjoyed that." That's something no one ever did to me. No one. Once again, I'll say these are the people I grew up with. It's all love. Um, it is what it is. You can't choose where you're gonna grow up. You can't choose any of that shit. So it's not their fault. I just didn't belong there. It was way too quiet. So I left there and I moved to Nassau, Bahamas. That was better. But I always remember Jamaica. And when I came to Jamaica, after I arrived, I went to a strip club. I remember that I went to a strip club and I went to a nightclub. No, I went to a nightclub first, then the strip club. Yeah, I think it was that order. But when I say Jamaica nursed me back to health, I am not playing with you, Jamaica. The people, the way you connect, the way you love your country, the way you love each other, and the way you made me feel welcome. And that's why it's always a place I come back to. So, hey, if you're in Jamaica and you see this video, say hi. Say hi. Talk to me.
Tell us a little bit about yourself and how you got to Jamaica.
Well, actually, I am officially from Lebanon. I end up in Canada, and when I was living in Canada, I faced lots of medical issues, especially skin and eczema, and lots of complication. And then I thought maybe I can go somewhere where it's nice and hot, different weather. And I end up in Jamaica, call my community, Muslim community, and I end up in Jamaica.
And so there was a Muslim community here that helped you.
Yes, of course. That's they were very helpful. They were very helpful. And also when I came here, it's just like all my condition disappeared and I felt normal and healthy and everything was like
Because of the sun.
100%. It's the weather, the sun, the earth, the food, the air, everything's in Jamaica helped me.
Is there anything you'd like people to know about the Muslim community here in Jamaica?
It's we can establish a better community here because they need really help and make them a better place for Muslim to be here.
Okay, so what's your favorite thing about wearing the hijab?
Oh, I love my hijab. I love my hijab. I'm so proud of my hijab. I I consider myself lucky to have hijab and being in Jamaica because I feel I'm so respectful from many people and I walk here so safe, so nicely, and people respect me so nicely.
How do people respond when they see you?
Number one, they think I am a nun, which fine, and also because I dress like Mary. And when they ask me why you dress like this, I say I dress like Mary. And they surprised that I believe in Mary, which we love Mary, we respect her, and even Jesus. They were so surprised, so in shock. There are a lack of information about Islam, what we know, what we love, what we worship, and there's lots of information about Mary and Jesus, and that's why I'm happy to walk on the road with my hijab and talk about it.
And is there any challenges that you faced in your life, not just in Jamaica, but while wearing the hijab?
Personally, no, not really, not really, not really. But my daughter did. My daughter did face lots of challenge, lots of them. And but we're working on it. We're working on it, and we try to to inform people that this is not the Islam what they hear on media. They have to search for real Islam, and when they found it, they know what Islam is. It's about love, unity, care, share, and spread peace. And that's what I like to do here. And I love my life here.
Nice,
Yeah,
beautiful.
thank
Anything else you want anybody to know about you?
me, I'm a story myself, and I do what I can do for spreading peace and goodness around, and that's what I like to do, and that's my journey. Yeah, and I love it.
Beautiful.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. That's perfect. That was great.
So guys, once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and good people, once again, thank you so much for the love and support you've shown unto me. Now we'll talk about a few things regarding the videos that you've just seen. So for one, before I even dive into this commentary, I'd love to say this: Jamaicans, you are love yourself. Remember, when I say the word, or not just me, but when anybody else says this word, one love, you tell me what comes into your mind, if not Jamaica. Now, this is just the case whereby we've seen this video of this Bahamian guy. He has been battling serious health conditions. He has been having panic attacks, and we know what panic attacks can do to you as a human being. And another thing is that we've heard him say that he has been depressed. Like, you in your country, you've gone through all of this. Nobody to actually step up for you. But this guy, look at what he said. This is just one of among the proofs to show that Jamaica is indeed a country, a small island in the Caribbean that is indeed blessed. Because we've seen him say that how Jamaicans interact, how Jamaicans love themselves, one another, how Jamaicans love their own country. It's just amazing. That's why I said, like, Jamaicans, they are pure vibe. Jamaicans, they are really amazing creatures. You set your foot in Jamaica, you're going to love everything about Jamaicans. Like they say, Jamaicans, they are a chatterbox. Like, they'll talk to you. One thing for sure is that Jamaicans will talk to you. You board a taxi in Jamaica, be sure you will have a conversation with your driver. It doesn't matter where you're from. You'll actually have a great conversation with the driver as if you've known each other for a very, very long time. Now, let's talk about this. For somebody to come out and say that, say such positive things about Jamaica, it really says a lot. Rather than Jamaicans themselves coming out and speaking for themselves. As we know, Jamaicans do speak for themselves. There are people who really stand and believe in everything they know that's right. But in this case, somebody coming out and praising your country for the good deeds, for helping him improve his health. I mean, you cannot take away the title that indeed Jamaica is a great country. Now, that's about this Bahamian brother, and we wish him all the best and the recovery in whatever situation he is combating. And now we can talk about this Arab lady. We've seen how serious her health condition has been over the years. Tried looking for medical attention all over the world, but none was successful. And now she chose to have a trip, and she ended up in Jamaica. Everything miraculously changed. She started having great health improvements, something that she had longed for, something that she had searched for a very, very long time. Jamaica made it possible. She even went ahead to recommend people, her friends, her families, to come to Jamaica, visit Jamaica, not just visit, but permanently move to Jamaica. What does that tell us about Jamaica? Guys, how can you even hate on Jamaica? Recently, I've been making videos over people hating on Jamaica. Do you hate on something because you don't know it? Or you're having this pressure? Or you think it's a competition? Do you? Just do you? Leave Jamaicans alone. I believe that if anybody was given a chance to choose where they would be born, I know you already have my answer. Well, I love you, my Jamaican viewers, my Jamaican families. I totally love you so much. So all of these things we are saying about people hating on Jamaicans should stop. Jamaicans, they did not request to be where they are at this point. They did not request to be at the top where they are. They did not request to be ranked as the most influential black country in the world. It's the people around the world who voted for Jamaica. It's the people who decided that Jamaica, all over out of many countries all over the world, out of many countries in the Caribbean, Jamaica tops the list. Jamaica is the place to be. They said that Jamaica is the vibe. Jesus. From good music, from good dishes, Jamaica has given us the great sceneries, a great place for your vacation, for your retirements. You can move to Jamaica, a country with the most unique flag around the world. I mean, they did not request for all of this. All the good deeds, all the great vibes, all the love that they have been spreading all over to anybody, be it a stranger, they don't care where you are from, be it from Africa, be it from Europe, Jamaicans will welcome you. For one thing for sure, Jamaicans, they are very charming and very natural, loving and welcoming in nature. So guys, once again, let's just love Jamaica. Let's appreciate them. Let's not stop hating on each other. Why are you even hating on Jamaicans and they don't even care? You hate on somebody who's continuously improving himself or herself. Why do people hate on these people from this beautiful island in the Caribbean while they just improving themselves? They are continuing to develop. You continue to hate, they make a step high above you. You continue to hate, they make a step high above you. So why are you even wasting your time? So once again, guys, thank you for watching this video. Tell me in the comment section what you think of this video. And of course, I have to appreciate all of my new viewers, all of my new subscribers. I want to assure you that you are on the right channel. And guys, if you're watching my videos and you are yet to subscribe, don't exit this video before you smash that subscribe button. Give these videos a thumbs up. Let the YouTube algorithm spread the good positive vibes, guys, please. So once again, I've been your host, Tyrell Reactions, and until we meet again in my next video, peace out and one love.